Vivo has announced the V11, a new phone destined for India. The V11 follows the V9 earlier this year, and combines elements of Xivo de Vivo and the new F9 of the sister company Oppo. Like the F9, the V11 has a new reduced design for the notch of the screen. While Oppo calls its version the water drop screen, the live shot is called full view screen of Halo. The shape is a bit different in the V11, with a sharper angle in the curve that stays closer to the circle of the camera lens selfie. I'd say it's the smallest notch I've seen so far. The other feature that helps Vivo maximize the screen-body relationship is the fingerprint sensor on the screen, which at the moment is basically the company's trademark. It works in the same way as in other Vivo phones such as NEX and X21. It is a bit slower than a traditional fingerprint scanner, but it is more convenient to use than a scanner on the back of the phone. Vivo has not yet sent a phone using the broader scan area shown in the Apex concept model. However, he still has to press his thumb on an icon the size of a fingerprint.